This free AI bot allows complete beginners to make thousands of dollars a week without actually having any previous experience. You can actually do this from literally any country around the world without having your own website and with no social media followers. So, what you essentially need to do is you need to go to Leonardo AI, and this AI tool, which is like a mid journey alternative, it allows you to generate images from one single prompt. So, you need to click on Launch app, and that's going to open up this AI tool. If you go to image generation section over here, you can start entering prompts to generate these different images, which sometimes look creepy but sometimes looks very good. Now if you go to listverse.com, this platform is where people share different bizarre articles. You can go to the most bizarre and the most creepy and the most mysterious stuff, and you can find the top articles on different topics. So for example, we have this article that talks about top 10 bizarre Hollywood urban legends we might have missed so what we can do now is we can copy the main keyword, go to Leonardo AI and generate something that will be captivating and something that's actually related to this specific category and the specific type of article. Now in this case again we are talking about top 10 bizarre Hollywood urban legends, but you can go with literally any article that you find in this platform and you can generate something related to it. So here we have something very bizarre and weird creatures next to the Hollywood sign. So we can just download this AI generated images with just one press of a button and go to shrinkme.io. And shrinkme.io is this tool which will pay you when someone just clicks on your link. If you go to the payment proof section, you can see all of these people that are making money every single day with shrinkme.io by literally just shortening links to these articles. So you can just sign up for completely free, click on the register button over here and then click on login. And once you log in, you can shorten your link. If you click on new shorten link over here, you can paste the link. I'll just go back to list where copy the link to this article. In this case, it's about top 10 bizarre Hollywood myths and then just click on shorten. And now that's going to give you the shortened version of that link, which if someone clicks on you will make you money. When they click on that link, they don't have to buy anything. They don't even have to spend any money. They literally just have to click and it will be taken to this article that they can start reading. So you can go to a platform like mguru.com where people are sharing different articles and bizarre images, and these sometimes get hundreds of thousands of views. In this case, this one got 27,000 views. 27 24,000 views, 5,000 views, 6,000 views. So you can just create a new post and then you can just drag and drop that image that you have downloaded from Leonardo AI. And once you do that, you can just add the title from the actual article. You paste the title here and then below you just want to add the call to action button, which is always just going to be continue reading here. And then you will just paste a link from shrinkme, a shorter link, so that it can actually start reading the article. And again, you can make money when someone clicks on your link and they don't even have to buy anything. You can just post this publicly. They don't even have to spend any money. They can start reading this for free. So the more of these articles that you share, the higher chances of getting more clicks. You'll have more and more people clicking. Your links means more revenue and making more money. Keep in mind that in order to make like $5 to $10, you need to have at least thousands click. So you can really have to be posting it as much as possible, maybe like 30 to 40 of this different post every single day. But this AI tool that is completely free allows you to generate these images which will be related to this list-wise article that you can shorten with shrinkme.io and then share on mgur for completely free. I really hope that you got some value out of this step-by-step tutorial, and I'll make sure to bring something new for you. And if you did, make sure to drop a like down below, and I'll see you next time.